I'm not afraid of my future because I hold my future in my hand. It's called Torpedopot. All I do is put my seeds and my plants in that planter, and I will have food for the rest of my life. I don't have to go beg and borrow anything else for food because I got it all here. All my food is right here. I don't have to do anything. And there's so much of it. I don't have a problem with food. And I don't want you to have a problem with food either. My life is very easy. I could travel on trips, take vacations, come back home, and look what's waiting for me. My food. My food is waiting for me. Why not have your food waiting for you? Not just any food, healthy, pure, organic food waiting for me in my house 24 hours a day. Who can beat it? And Torpedopot does it for you. Put your seeds in, you put your plants in, you turn that knob there. You'll walk away for the rest of the year.
It grows your food for you. All you have to do is put your seeds in or put your seedlings in, walk away for the rest of the year, and it grows your food for you. You plug up a little hose in the back, you turn a knob in the front.
Hey guys, these are Torpedopots. These are self-growing planters. All I did was put my seeds, in this case seedlings, in those planters. We bought 40 seedlings for $13. We put them in these planters, and now we have over 60 pounds of greens. And all we did was pay $12 for them. They grow by themselves. Once you put your seed in this planter, or put your plants in that planter, you never water, you never feed, and you'll have food for the rest of your life. At the beginning of the year, we grew 15,000 pea pods. The middle of the year, we grew 1,500 tomatoes. And now with each one of these, we'll probably grow over 50 to 60 pounds of greens and all the Torpedopots together. We got radish, we got beans and everything else growing. But we don't have to do anything. I don't have to water, I don't have to feed, I don't have to do anything with my plants. All I do is put my seeds in, put my plants in, I set it, I
take a different approach. This pot has been designed to grow fungus. A lot of people use fertilizers in their to feed their plants. And what we try to tell individuals is that fertilizers, they're like a drug. What you do is that you put the fertilizer in and it goes to the plant's root system and the plant absorbs it up. But the plant is not going out and reaching and getting its food. The plant is not existing in an environment, a natural environment, where the microbes and the fungus are there to help break down those particulates and make them available to the soil. So you don't have that building soil process. You simply throw your fertilizers in, it goes up into the plant, and it's like a stimulus to make the plants behave in a certain way, not with Torpedopot.
You never water, you never feed your plants. All you do is put them inside these planters and they grow your food for you. You never have to grow your food again in your life. And you walk away and enjoy yourself. I eat fresh every day. I don't have a problem with my food. These little planters have been designed to grow and develop the right environment that greens and plants love, guaranteeing their success. All you do, again, is put your seeds in your plants in. You never water, you never feed. We only supplement at the maximum once a week. And we walk away and we do nothing else. And all we do is come back and harvest over and over and over.
A minute. So we have the plumbing that distributes the water, that you adjust the water to grow the fungus that feeds your plants.
In the soil. Torpedopot is designed to remediate the soil by bringing health to the microbes, allowing the microbes to do their job and create a stable environment so they can produce healthy food for you. This is what this is all about. Torpedopot does it. And that's why we have healthy food all of the time. And you will too. Well, when you harvest your greens, a lot of people tell you, hey, listen, don't eat the stalk, it's too rough, it's too tough. And it's right, it is too tough and too rough for a lot of people, but not for us. The stalk is just as tender. You hear that sound? As the leaves. That's what you want to hear in your food. You hear that? That's real food. All the way down to the leaves, see it? Hear it. That's the sound of good food that's grown in a Torpedopot. Torpedopot grows your food in a biotic environment. It takes the microbes in the soil and rejuvenates them, brings them back to life, so that your food can grow organically. And that's why you hear this sound. All the way through, hear it? That's the sound you need to hear. $1,000 a year, the average family spends $12,000 to $24,000 a year in food. I've eliminated my food bill, dude. In other words, I can buy a car at the end of the year because I've eliminated my food bill. And I can do things I've never been able to do because I've eliminated my food bill. My food bill has been wiped out. The more food you eat, the faster it grows. The faster it grows. The more food you can consume, the faster it grows. And you get more and more of it. All you do is put your seeds and your plants in that planter. You never water, you never feed. You only supplement once a week. In this case, probably just once a month. And it grows your food for you. You never have to worry about food again in your life.